Hello and welcome to a little race session with our fantastic Tamiya TT-02 Type S race build. Now again, this is running the exact same setup as we had in episode 11 with our 10.5 turn Hobbywing motor running at 0 timing, and the ESC is also stock out the box. What is different this time is that we are only running 2S, and we are running the 4000 mAh 2S LiPos that we have been using with our Tamiya TT-01. Now the reason for this is that this year we will actually finally be racing our TT-02 in a race series, specifically the 17.5 turn Blinky series, and we'll be showing you the build up and build leading to that, so do watch out for it. But currently, the TT-02 Type S is running beautifully. We haven't had a single issue with it so far. None of the components or hardware have given us any trouble, and it's just driving really nicely. It's the white one out on track, so it's got our pearl white Montec body, which has taken a beating but is still holding up well, and you can just see how smooth it is into the corners. The back end never kicks out like it does with our TT-01. The nose is precise into the turns, and it just feels really smooth to drive. Now this is partly because of the hardware on the car, but also the Hobbywing ESC. When you drive a car with a really low grade speed controller and then you try a high spec one, you really notice the difference, especially in the way the braking is applied and coming into the corners, and also the acceleration. Everything just feels smoother and more linear. And of course, you can set the drag brake and all sorts of driving characteristics through the electronic speed controller. Now personally, my driving has come a long way since the start of this build a few years ago. When I first started driving, I literally couldn't make it around the track without crashing into a wall, which now seems crazy because the walls are miles away from the car. But with practice and after our first race season, we got better. Not great, but better. And I highly recommend that you all go out and join a club because it's fantastic fun and a brilliant hobby. And do join us in the 2020 race season. We'd love to see more drivers out there. We've also got some more bird's eye view videos of the TT-02 in this configuration coming along out on track with a lot more cars around it which are seriously fast, and you can see how our TT-02 compares in that. But that's it. I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and do watch out for the coming build episodes with this, our Tamiya M03 and Tamiya TT-01. Also watch out for our brand new super website coming out in 2020, which has been in the pipeline for around 3 years now, but this year we are ready. So please do support us with that because it's going to be a massive community website. But that's it. Please do rate, comment and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching and see you soon.